32 degrees and snowing. That's some dedication when it comes to metal detecting or swinging, or just plain stupidity if you ask my husband. I'm on my way to a curb strip near a park that I have been to before I was filming, and hopefully I'll find some goodies there. Okay, I'll get back to you when we get there. Okay, I want to film this just because I want to leave it in another spot. It's just laying here. It's got to be another one of those nice coronavirus rocks. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? I like that a lot. I'm going to leave that somewhere else for someone else to find. It's beautiful. Okay, moving on. I don't know if this is anything worth filming. I thought it was going to be a pull tab. Kind of looks like a pocket watch cover to me. Kind of. Got something here in the center. Got green around the edge, and I can see a little like doodad on top. All rusted out on the inside, of course. Oh wait, here's the little chain. Yeah, like a little pocket watch thing. How cool. Alright. Nothing else in the hole. I checked. Alright. Nothing else worth filming. It's just like the other ones because I thought I was getting a penny. So it's one of those, I don't know what you call them. But, let me see, get my thing back on. Those, Euros, that's what it's called. A Euro. Always looks good for just a split second. Kind of gives you a little bit of a start. Looks a little different than the other Euro. That's still cool. 20 cents. Alright. It's running up to 27. I thought it was junk, but turns out it's a bracelet. Switch hands here. Doesn't look like it's anything real. It's got a little bling on it. Probably stainless steel. It doesn't look quite right for silver, even though it rang up a 27. A little bit of bling in it. This is say, but I like it. I'll take it. Of course I'll take it. Okay. Almost on the surface. To you. It's ringing up a 19. Kind of looks like one of those Chinese coins I've seen pictures of, but there's no other stuff on it. It's very skinny. Thought it was going to be a penny. But there's some designs and stuff on it, so that's pretty cool. And it was not deep. So I don't know. But that's cool. That's something different and unexpected. Okay, moving on. I was expecting a dime or a penny. It rang up a 23. But it's this itty bitty teeny tiny Coach tag. So more than likely it's copper. I think that says Coach. Pretty close. It's very tiny. Barely grab it. Sunlight maybe, will that help? My camera's so dirty I can't see anything in it. I believe that says Coach. See the other side. Has something on it. I have to clean that up because I can't read that at all. I don't know if you can. Numbers maybe. But I will definitely clean that up. That's something different. Okay. I was kind of hoping for 1/4 from this like drain area right here. I found three separate ones in this one area. Rang up all screwbally. But I'll take those 3/4, and there may even be more. I'm going to keep scanning, see if I can find anything else. I'm just going to leave it on for a second, just in case. As I wish I dug it live, but I kind of feel like I'm in this person's yard. I don't know if these things came down from. It's probably metal, no. Maybe it's plastic, I don't know. It just seems like a strange place to have a drain. All kinds of targets. No, maybe not. Alright, I'll get back to you if I get anything else good. Try to do a quick wrap. It's yesterday's. And this is today's. I'm going to dump them in there. Wash them off. I have to bring them in the house and do it. My mama over visiting. Be careful with this pocket watch. Oh look, there's the chain. How cool. Something beautiful on there. Oh, it's gorgeous. The bracelet, the key, which you didn't see because I didn't film that because it was a surface fine. I think that should work. Put that back in the bag if I can. And get it in the house. That's all just money. Well, cash, change, whatever. I don't think there was anything else good in there. Some ring. But I really wanted to see this. It's like rotting away. That is so cool. Oh, that must be where the hands went. And that's the background. That's so cool looking. Clean that up carefully. This thing I got for my flip-flops, they keep breaking. So that's going in. Okay, let's see what's in this bag from yesterday. Oh, that's right, I found that. I think this was the soccer field. I'm not really sure. Oh, wait, all the keys. Nope, this was the library. That was the library. Nothing really good there. A bunch of money. Change. There. All right, that's good enough to get in the house. And do the wrap in there. Going in. You can hear hubby's musical stylings. Just want to show you the good stuff. We'll have dinner later. Coin or token, I believe Chinese.
Your dog want a cheese or an egg or something?
Nothing, please. 20 euros.
I like those dishes.
Cute. Of course, the gold in the hole, but rings up like a penny, so I know it's not gold. 20 euro cent. This bracelet that I was hoping was something, but it doesn't look it. I will test it just in case, but I'm sure it isn't.
Which one
Pretty, huh? Surface fine key. I'm positive this is a pocket watch. You can see the top there, and there's like the winder part hanging up here. Glass on the front. I thought that was a design, like maybe mother of pearl or something, but it's definitely glass because when I stick my finger over the hole, it covers it. Copper all the way around. Little part sticking up in the front where the hands probably were. I'm gonna clean it a little more and maybe lift that. I just know everything's gonna fall off of it when I do, though. That's the problem.
Let me see it.
Just don't do anything to it. It's filthy. You're gonna have to go wash your hands again afterwards. Biggest pull tab ever.
Looks like the back of a
Bunch of nickels, dimes, lots of dimes today. Quarters. I don't know what happened to this baby. Must have got whacked with a lawnmower. That's it. I'll have to go through the pennies, and there's no wheats in there just to see the years. All right.
I don't know if it's the back of a button.
No, it's glass. Just be careful.
Okay.
There, and this is yesterday. I got a ton of keys. A lot of pennies. $1.50 in quarters, a couple dimes, a couple nickels. This thing, it looks like that's a lady's silhouette. Thought it was a bottle cap at first, but it's not. So it's, I don't know what it is exactly, but I'm going to keep that. If you know what that is, it'd be nice to know. It does look like a silhouette of a lady, but I don't know. So let's find out.
Hey, Donnie.
All right, that's it. Alright, keys. I haven't had any in a while. Crazy signal. I couldn't figure out what it was. It's ringing up like an 18. There's quite a few in here. Some still on the ring, and it looks like some loose ones in there too. Well, a loose one. These are on a ring. There's more ring down there, or else a root grew through it. Oh, a root grew through it, okay. A few key rings, or else the key ring just rotted away. Thought I had a quarter at first, because I saw the shiny silver down there. I think that's it. No, I think there's a few more in there. Let's get them out. Nice. Oh, yeah, there's some more. That's a big key ring. Lots of keys on this one. Cool. Well, Russ, your guys gonna love these. There's more in there too. Oh, here's another one. Looks like a car key. VW. Cool. Lots of keys. Holy moly. How did that person lose so many? Oh, I'm still next to the library. Or maybe I shouldn't say where I am. I might have to delete that out, but I think I got them all. Look at all these keys. My goodness. Okay, we have one intact key ring. Got one broken key ring. A couple keys on it. And more keys. All right. That's quite a haul. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 keys, all modern. Or modern-ish. These look like locks. I wonder who lost them. It's very interesting. Huh. Well, maybe I'll find out once the video goes live. That's a lot of keys. Take that out to get them all in there. I kind of like finding keys. I guess I don't know, slim pickings today. A little tiny coach thing, and that's about it. That's all I've really found today. Quarters. You know. See if there's anything else in there. Hope I get them all. All right. Moving on. If I can turn this off.